Gandang araw. Ito po si Engineer Tolentino. Okay. Alright. Pagpipigay po ako ng Caltech sa DE. So, ito yung mga medyo mahirap na problem sa differential equations. Look, a tank contains 1,000 liters of brine with 50 kilograms of dissolved salt. Now, pure water enters the tank at the rate of 10 liters per minute. The solution is kept thoroughly mixed and drains from the tank at the same rate. So, isa to sa Caltech na pareho lang yung pumapasok okay, at saka lumalabas. 10 liters per minute, 10 liters per minute. Tanong, okay, how much salt is in the tank after 3 minutes and after 20 minutes, ano yung salt in the tank? So, how do we get that X? Okay, assuming natin na X is the amount of salt in the tank. Now, kapag tubig to, okay, tubig lang yung pumapasok, no? Pure water, no? So, automatic, ang model mo will just be X equals A e to the BX. Okay, where X is, yung A na to is just yung ilan yung na-dissolve na salt doon sa tangke. So, it's 15. Then, E to the minus, in yung formula, okay, ilan yung pumapasok at saka lumalabas. 10 liters per minute divided by lang yung volume. Ano yung volume natin? 1,000. Then, kapitan mo lang ng T. Now, itong formula na to is para lang sa pure na tubig ang papasok. Okay, and then yung lalabas, yung papasok at saka yung lalabas pareho. Look at how nilagay ko yung model, ha. Ano tong 50 na to? Ito yung content ng salt. Yung initial content ng salt. Ito yung rate ng pumapasok o lumalabas. Ito yung volume. Okay? So, your X will just be 15 e to the negative 10 divided by 1,000 is 0.01 t. So, ito yung model natin. Pwede mo na siyang i-model sa calculator. Punta ka sa mode 3, okay, mode 3, 5. Yung exponential 5. When X is 0, make it 15. So, kailangan pa ng isang point, pinakamadali 1. Kung 1 yan, that is, substitute mo dito, that is 15 e raised to what? Raised to the negative 0.01. There. Okay. And then, pwede na natin masagot to. Okay. Find the amount of salt in the tank after 20 minutes. Enter clear. Enter 20 shift 155. So, ito na yung sagot. 12.28 kilograms. Now, kung gusto mong malaman, dagdagan natin, ha. Kailan ang concentration is 10 kilogram na lang. Kapag 10 kilogram na lang, ano yung time? So, ang gagawin mo lang, just enter 10 shift 154. Okay. So, it will happen after what? After 40.55 minutes. Okay. So, yung website po namin is sa www.tolentinos-online-review.com. Kung gusto mong matuto ng Caltech, tuition fee is only 4,000. Pwede kang magpasikat sa mga kaklase mo, hindi kaya pwede kang napakadaling mag-solve ng mga problem. Matutulungan ka sa class mo nito. Okay?